guys, Assalamu alaikum. This is your girl Sahar. Welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing well. I am doing good too. And I don't know आपको कितना sound आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है. I have come to Empire and हम लोग अभी खाना खा रहे हैं. Empire in Madhur. We are going to Bangalore and from Bangalore we are going to Chennai, inshallah. So we have left. Pondicherry is in the loop, we don't know. It depends on how the situation is over there. And I want to take you guys along, so I'm just starting the vlog right now. I just realized when I picked up the phone that I forgot the tripod and the mic and the camera, this thing, the light. And I'm like...
I am just worried about the food.
Huh?
All I can think about is the French street food in Pondicherry.
But I believe it's raining, no?
So what? Doesn't matter. Why am I in the video?
Because you're my husband. So yeah, we're really tired after a full day of work, but we are leaving, inshallah. And I will catch up with you guys in a minute after having dinner properly. What fog today, what fog. Buildings are hidden.
जिंदगी में क्या चल रहा है? फॉग चल रहा है. बैंगलोर में क्या चल रहा है? फॉग. चेन्नई में क्या चल रहा है? चेन्नई दिख नहीं रहा है.
Chennai ro raha hai.
चेन्नई रो रहा है. चेन्नई दिख रहा है. What the?
We are back to our humble beginnings. This is where we started from. Electronic City after how many years, Janu?
Huh?
Electronic City after how many years?
Maybe like 5-6 years. I think we've been in Bangalore, but we've not come to Electronic City as well. Like we left Electronic City, I think 6-7 years ago, as far as I remember.
Alrighty you guys, यहाँ पे हम आम्बोर रीच हो गए थे. At this point my husband was literally tired. तो मैंने थोड़ा स्पीड अप कर लिया था वीडियो, उतना तेज़ नहीं चला रहे थे. फिर फाइनली हम होटल पहुँच गए. मैं बाहर से लेना वीडियो भूल गई थी. एंड उसके बाद हम ड्रेसअप होके गए थे द मरीना, जहाँ पे हमने लंच किया. ये यहाँ का बहुत पॉपुलर रेस्टोरेंट है एंड we also wanted to try it out. And पीछे आप अशफाक के मॉम एंड डैड को देख रहे हो. And we had reserved a table for us, so we didn't have to wait in line or whatever. And this is where we sat. We came in a little early, lunch hour से पहले ही आ गए थे because we were really famished, because हमने breakfast नहीं करा था. And this is how the menu looks like. So you get to choose the type of fish you want, the produce that you want, and the quantity that you want. And all of this is fresh food apparently. And हमारा lunch serve हो गया था. We had a lot of seafood and everything we tasted was super yum. I tried to have as authentic food as I can.
गरम का है ठंडा
गरम इसमें खाओ, उसमें खाओ. The one we had in Goa. What style was that? Chinese. वो छोटे प्रॉन में मजा नहीं आता. Hardcore Andhra.
But I ordered everything chettinad and everything because यहाँ को वो स्टाइलिंग होता है. बस ये बोल लो कि हम लोगों ने डिसाइड किया खाते जाओ and everything was good. It's just melting. अच्छी नहीं, मुंह में मेल्ट हो जा रही है.
नहीं ये लहसुन है,
हाँ
ये लहसुन ही मसाला इंग्लिश
अच्छे का
वर्जन।
नाम बोलो यहाँ पे फिश का नाम हो सोल फिश बट
Aside from the fish items, I honestly did not like the chicken items as such. And then हम लोग मरीना बीच चले गए थे and I was wearing shoes and so I was like my shoes but there was a lot of crowd over here एंड आई थिंक हम लोग सही टाइम पे आए थे, यहाँ पे बहुत धूप नहीं थी। फिर हम वापस आ गए, बहुत
Do you have
बहुत
French
मुश्किल
fries?
से वापस आए इतने ट्रैफिक में
पेरी पेरी?
फंसने के बाद।
Okay,
और
वाला।
जहाँ पे हमारा होटल था वहीं पे ऑपोजिट में ही लग के तख्त कैफ़े था, जो कि बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कैफ़े है। आप क्राउड देख ही सकते हो। हम लोगों ने आउटडोर एरिया से इंडोर आ गए बिकॉज इट वाज टू ह्यूमिड एंड बहुत कुछ ऑर्डर किया। द फूड वाज अमेजिंग एंड ये नेक्स्ट दिन का क्लिप है। ब्रेकफास्ट वाज कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एट द होटल बट वी लव फूड हियर, so it was just next to the hotel. We came here itself and we checked out, and Ambur may we ate our lunch over here. Guys, assalamu alaikum. I am following up with you guys couple of days later from the vlog. Let me just open the blind so that I can, you know, give you some light and roshni on my face, otherwise I look so bad. So with that roshni you can see a lot of pasara in the background. I am at my mom's place because I am managing both the houses and I've fallen a little bit sick. Happens after every vacation, change of water, change of weather. It happens with everybody, I suppose. So थोड़े दिन के बाद जब मैं थोड़ी सी सुधार पाई हूँ, then I started vlogging. It was a very chaotic Chennai trip, as you guys saw. Like we went for a day and pretty much we were out and about. It was very humid. So that what's new. I mean, it's Chennai, so it is expected. Although it was raining, the surprising part was that it was raining. हमने बहुत कुछ नहीं किया. We just visited Marina Beach and had very good lunch, which you guys already saw. मैंने आम्बूर में lunch करने तक का वीडियो बनाया था. I will recommend you guys to not go to the 5-star Ambur Biryani something and go to this place instead. That's why मैंने entrance की एक clip की picture ली थी. I think it's not 5-star, it's A1 Biryani. आई डोंट नो व्हाट इट इज़ बट वो वाली जगह जो फेमस है उसको छोड़ के आप ये वाली जगह जाओ. दिस इज़ मच बेटर एंड आई रियली लाइक इट. दैट पर्टिकुलर प्लेस इज़ सुपर हाइप फॉर नो जॉय रीज़न. हम पहले भी जा चुके हैं एंड आई डोंट लाइक इट ओवर देयर. सो वी वेंट इन टू दिस प्लेस एंड इसके बाद आम्बुर में ही सामने में you will get this Navrang leather bags place. Now I was supposed to record that but I refrained because a lot of the bags that were available there were counterfeit bags from Coach, Marc Jacobs, and very big brands. There was even Satya Paul, there was Gucci, LV and everything, and I walked into the showroom owning a Coach bag, which you've already seen that it's an original bag, and I could see all these fake first copy bags. So that was there. So I was literally frazzled seeing that because I don't support buying counterfeit products. I try to refrain from that. So uske alawa bhi they have their own buffalo leather and cow leather bags. So I did pick up few of those things, but I did not pick up too much. I just picked up few little essentials in terms of organizers and everything, and not everybody supports using leather products, so I'm not including that. फिर आम्बूर के बाद हम नवरंग गए, राइट. नवरंग से हम जब निकले and it was really my battery was down, my phone battery was down, my khud ki battery was down, and from there onwards, like Krishnagiri onwards, it was so much traffic, and I had it, and I thank Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for putting some sense into my brain and making everybody realize that Chennai se Pondicherry jana would have been the worst decision, and thankfully we didn't do that because we would have been like literally butchered. We went in Ashfaq sedan, right? So पीछे में 3 मोटू log including myself were sitting, and sitting there for 12 hours, जबकि previous day मैंने already travel कर चुकी हूँ. And चेन्नई में मैं इसलिए भी व्लॉग नहीं कर पाया आफ्टर लंच एंड मरीना बीच वॉज बिकॉज चेन्नई में भी बहुत गंदी वाली ट्रैफिक थी. लाइक आई हैव नेवर सीन सच ट्रैफिक इन चेन्नई, बट आई सॉ इट एंड इतना फ्रस्ट्रेटेड हो गई थी बिकॉज द जर्नी फ्रॉम वेर आर होटल वॉज एंड Chennai, the main city of Chennai, was like hardly 15 to 20 minutes, give or take, okay? But because of the traffic, it was 1.5 hours, and we missed one freaking turn, and it took us through entire Chennai, through outside Chennai, and then made us enter again. See, the reason why we went there was for Ashfaq, because Ashfaq had his AIMS ka exam. AIMS ka some entrance exam, and that's the reason we went. We wanted to support him and be there for him, so that is why we went. And where the center was actually not inside the city, it was literally a little bit on the outskirts. But you miss one turn in Chennai during peak hours, it literally throws you out of the entire Chennai, and then gets you back in, and that was like literally frustrating as it is. फिर हम cafe गए, which you guys saw, and next day again travel. I was literally done because मैं 2 दिन से continuously travel कर रही थी. My body gave up, and मैं phone भी charge नहीं की थी रात भर because there was only one plug-in point, and we have too many devices to charge. So a lesson learned that I will be carrying my those portable devices, electronic devices जिसमें multiple electric sockets होते हैं. I will have to carry that because right now, with 1 to 2 sockets that a hotel provides, it's not enough to charge all your devices. So lesson learned, and मेरी battery भी down हो गई थी, तो I did not film. And after I came home, I fell sick because I was literally tired, and I pushed my body way beyond it was required, so I fell sick. Any which ways, vlog को यहीं पे end करती हूँ and इसको upload करती हूँ. Hope you found this video really fun and nice. I try to vlog as much as I can, but with people who are not very comfortable on camera, it becomes really difficult. As it is, I'm very camera shy these days because a lot of influencers have sprouted, and people look at us in some sort of a different way, and I then become very uncomfortable. So, that is that. Ignore my stuffy nose. I will see you guys in the next one. Please do subscribe if you haven't already, and share it with your friends and family members. Till then, you guys take care, stay safe. Mwah.